Oh, what a beautiful day today. You know, nothing crazy has gone on quite a while. It's kind of weird because usually there's something weird. And Han Solo, what the world are you doing?
Making a stand.
Oh, what? Why do you need a stand?
Well, stands is fun.
I don't think.
I think it's a party pooper.
I'm not being a party pooper.
I love coffee and go to this.
Oh gosh, you got my ball ready. Guys, I'm gonna catch the Pokemon.
How are you gonna catch a freaking Pokemon?
Well, see, in the Pokemon universe, you throw balls. You throw balls. See, you throw a ball. So that's what I'm gonna do. I missed, but I missed again. How many times do I miss this? What? Why isn't it working? What do you think? Throwing a toy ball at a magical monster will trap him in that toy ball? Well, yeah. I'm surrounded by dummies. So what's your point? Of course that's your point. You want a bone. You always want a bone, jeez. I expect really good behavior from you. That's a fake crown, dude. It's not a fake crown. Look, it is paper. Yeah, because I got from I'm a plush. Stop breaking the fourth wall. I gotta fix the fourth wall. Okay, there. What about you, Stormtrooper Pig? I don't really know. Is this actually fixed? It doesn't look fixed. It looks broken. Oh my gosh! It already looked fixed. Yeah, isn't that just a tablet? I mean, seriously. It looks like a tablet to me. Stop breaking the fourth wall! Now, if everyone is going to be annoying, I'm going to shoot you. And how are you going to... you want me to shoot you, Pikachu? Shoot you. Pikachu! Well, Darth Vader Pig, what do you want? I think you should come over here. I'm getting really good deals on coffee. And people don't even care about good coffee. People don't care about good coffee because coffee is on our side. Am I right? Whoa, you have to be with me. Coffee is on our side because I'm Darth Vader. Coffee. You're not selling coffee. Yeah.